Everybody, Patty Ann here again today. This is just a really quick tip on how to find BX fonts, a really fast way to find a bunch of them, and how to install them on your computer, because I know some of you are still having trouble with that. So the first tip is how to find some really cool ones. So go to this link that I'll have down below for you. It's on the Embrilliance site, and there's a company name here and a website, whole list of places that have BX fonts, supposedly. I don't know how current this is, but it gives you a great starting place. And the one that I wanted to start at, and one that I've used before, is called Rivermill. So I'm going to find Rivermill. These are in alphabetical order. Here's Rivermill. And I'll click on their website. And it brings me to their website that looks like this. Really cute stuff. But then I'm going to go to... Okay, so I went to embroidery alphabets by size, and I just clicked on 1 inch for the heck of it. And so the one that I found that I really like, and look at how cute these are, but there's one that I found that I really like, and it's this one right here, Daisy Script font. I think that's so cute. So I'm going to add it to my cart. Up here it shows up in the upper right hand corner, I have 2 things in my cart. I'm going to get rid of this thing. I don't want this. Cart. View cart. Okay, so here's my viewing of the cart, and I'm going to deduct that. Are you sure you want to? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to check out now. I think there was a coupon code for saving 10%, but I accidentally flew by that earlier. So I'll just go ahead and check out. Let's see. 4 more designs, 8 or more. Sign in. It says below you can download. It says below you can download your Daisy script. So it's a zip file, you'll see. Here it's downloading. And then I got a thing that says open file. And here it is, the Daisy script font. Now because I see the word extract all here, I know I can't use it yet. Even if I open this, okay, as I was saying, even if I open this file, and I know down here, these are the ones I want. They're not labeled BX, but there's no BX folder, so I know these are the BX files. But even though I open this folder and try to drag one over, look at that little sign I get. It says, no, you can't do it. It's a warning, basically. However, if I come here to extract all, click on that, and it's going to extract it and send it to my downloads. Let's open my downloads because I've already done it. So if you look right here in my downloads, notice the first one says it's the compressed or zipped folder. They're not extracted. These are the ones where I said extract all. It made a new folder itself. And there it is with all of these. And now if I grab one of these and drag it over, look, I don't get that red circle with an X through it anymore. And after I let it go, it says it's been installed. RM Rivermill. And let's try this one. Installed. Let's try that first one because guess what? I've already installed it. I wonder if it's going to say that. I did this because I was playing around. Oh, it's been installed, so maybe it's been twice. We'll see now. All right, so now let's see if this worked. I should be able to come right up here to the text tool, get some text, and I'll just make it say Patty Ann. Hit enter. Whoops. Okay, Patty Ann, enter. All right, and then let's see if we can change it to that. So it should start with RM for Rivermill. There it is. Look at that. Okay, that's a really cool font. I really like it, how it stitches out. However, look how far apart these are, and I don't want them like that. So in order to fix that, I click on it to select them all. And right down here in the Properties panel, I can come to the one that says Space. Okay, I don't want word space, just space, but if you mess up, it's no biggie. So this is bringing them closer together. And a lot of them look really good, except for if I try to get the T and the A to touch right here, it really smushes everything badly. Watch, see? So I'm going to get the A over there, and look, this all looks perfect back here. So how can I move from here back to touch? Oh, wait, I want this one to touch first. So I'm just going to move this one over like that. Okay, I don't want any space between them. Then I'm going to take this one, going to highlight that, and if I grab just this bottom little triangle, it moves everything beyond it. Like that. The only thing that's kind of weird is that the T is like that. I'll have to stitch this out and see what I think of it when I do it. But I really like this a lot. So that would be done. Let's watch it with the Stitch Simulator once. I'll make it go fast like this and just let it play. Oh, beautiful. Okay. So that's how easy it is. Again, let's go back to River Mill. Okay. Let's pretend we're going to get another font. So I came to Embroidery Alphabets by Size, and I just went to 1 inch, just willy-nilly. And if I were to get another one, sometimes I look for script fonts because I don't really have very many. There's Magnolia. Remember when we were all using Magnolia? I used to all even like Jester. I guess I'll just do Jester. So watch. So again, I'm going to add it to my cart. Proceed to checkout. PayPal. Continue to review my order. Complete my order. And then it says that the email is sent. Or I could just go right there to my downloads. And there it is as the zipped font. Okay. And it's not quite done yet. Okay, open file. Jester font. Because I see the word extract all, I cannot use these. Okay, now I'm going to extract all. And it's going to go to my downloads folder. I leave this just as it is. And I have this box checked to show extracted files. I'll say extract. And here they are. And now I'm going to be able to use these. I'm going to go ahead and open up Embrilliance and open that thing with them extracted. Now, is this the one with them extracted? No. And I know that because the word extract all is here. So if I try to use this, there's that red X. So that means I need to open up the other file folder. Well, let me get rid of this one. We open up this file folder. Notice it doesn't say extract all anywhere. So these are the extracted ones. And how can we tell by looking at these? Look at here again. Here's the Jester font. Notice it says compressed or zipped folder. That means you can't use it. It's all squished together, all mushed, like you suck the air out of a bag, and they're in there. This is the one you can use. Click on that. Click on that. And now, one at a time, watch. Bring these over. Okay? But actually, you can bring more than one over. Check this out. I can click this one, hold down my control key, get the other one, drag them both over, and check out what it says. They've both been installed. So now I can change this one if I'd like to River Mill, and it was River Mill Jester. There's River Mill Jester. Okay, these are very close together, so I might want to go ahead and space them apart a bit. Like that maybe. And again, I might just want to get rid of this S or A and move it over and the other things after it. A-N-N. And there you have it. And shall I move this a little closer? And everything after it, yeah, like that. Okay, so there it is. So that's how easy it is. Now remember, the other thing I showed you was the place where you can go, and I'll give you the link below, in Embrilliance to find all these optional places where you can go to find Stitch, or I'm sorry, BX files. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please use my links down below if you're in the market to buy something, especially if you're wanting to buy something through Embrilliance. I really appreciate it. When you go there through my link, I get a teeny tiny commission and it helps. Thanks again.